So we've got a really strange issue. I've got a Mavic that I pulled out of my closet that I haven't used in probably 6 months, 7 months. It's been sitting there in the box. Hasn't fallen, hasn't gotten wet. No crashes, never been crashed. I mean, it looks brand new, right? Let's get right to the point. Let's turn on the controller. And let's turn the Mavic on. And you can see it's starting to do its sequence. And more importantly, you'll see the camera tries to calibrate itself. And then that's it. It's stuck. If you look, the gimbal is no longer working. Okay? And then more importantly, we're getting all these error messages here. Accelerometer failed, gyroscope failed, overall status and main controller settings. I get abnormal. Gimbal cannot receive main controller data. I have no idea what happened. This last time I used it, it says restart the aircraft for IMU. I've restarted it. It says it's got the latest firmware. But as you can see, this does not work and it will not fly. Any ideas? I'd love to hear them.